So this is not financial advice, it's not life advice, it's none of that. This is me sharing with you my journey on getting rich with AI. Some words popped up on the screen. In this video, I got a tool that's changing my life anyway. It's using AI to make all of our dropshipping needs, ecom, all that shit simple. What I mean by that is imagine a world where all you have to do is type some words, whether it's you just got done work, you want to start that business of your own. Let's just say you have a job. You get home from that job and you really want to do your passion, your side hustle that you call it. You can have that thing connect your existing store, even pick the products that you sell, bro. I'm gonna go over all of that with you in this video. And by the end of this video, you're gonna be like, damn, this is amazing. This is AI.Doba. Yeah, this is not like nothing you've ever seen before. This is crazy to me. And if you click below in the description, I'll have everything you need so you can get this as a trial right now. Ladies and gentlemen, I now introduce you to the page of AI.Doba. Now, this is the simplest website you ever see. It looks like it can't do anything, but it's literally one of the most powerful things ever, and it's cheap. When I say cheap, that means you can design a whole store and everything you want for one credit. Let me show you. Because what if I told you I made this entire website right here on the screen using one sentence? Fire! You hear me? I made it in seconds. I'm gonna walk you through how I did it. Look at this. So for that example website, I literally typed in create a store, pick 10 trendy beauty products and list them with a 20% profit margin. So we're gonna get paid. And then look how the AI is communicating back with us. It says understand your needs, find the best matching products. I selected beauty and health, and we're gonna do this together as well. But I just wanted to show you a quick little walkthrough of how I was able to do that with this store. And then when you go over here to the right, you've seen I selected the products I wanted. And when you go over here, you see this is my actual Shopify that I signed up with for free. You understand? I got a free trial. And when you seen it literally updated my store. So when we click view store, so literally when you click view store, we have an entire store that's made right now. And you can view all the products. You see all the buttons work, bro. This is literally crazy. It has the top trending products in beauty. It even picked prices for us. I didn't go in here and edit anything, so that's why the prices look weird. But as y'all see, all the buttons work. The UI looks fire. It's simple, it's straightforward. And most of all, people can purchase if it's available. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. This is too hard. I don't got the time. I don't got this. Let's work smarter. What I'm gonna do, what you could do, is you could put the link to this new store that we're gonna create together on the Instagram link, on your Instagram bio, and just drive traffic and let the AI girls make the content in selling the products in real time while we do not have to. Now, obviously you need to make the content for them, but bro, this is crazy. Okay, so right here, we're gonna walk through something together. It says here, let's create a store and pick 10 women's gym clothing trending items and list them at a 20% profit margin because we gotta get paid. And here you're able to click just two options. If you wanna use the big commerce agent or if you wanna use the Shopify agent. Y'all know we just signed up for our free trial for Shopify. So we're doing Shopify and literally you just press enter, bro. This is not fast forward. This is not sped up, none of this. You're watching in real time AI work. This is a master at work. So right now it's just going to walk you through what your needs are, is understanding the needs. And it sees that we want that 20% profit margin. And now it's just finding the best products. So as y'all see, I didn't have to open anything. I didn't have to go anywhere. It literally found me 10 products for women right here. So these are the 10 AI picks, but let's see if it can handle an objection or a question. I said it, put some pants in there, enter. Let's see if it can find some pants. Is it actually going to be able to do it? And there's no cap in my rap, y'all. I didn't go look ahead or do this before. I'm doing this the same time as y'all. Okay, so as you've seen, it added some diapers, men pants. That's not quite right. So let's add some female work pants, or some female workout pants rather. And as you see, it's starting to find trending female workout pants. And if you know exactly what kind of pants you want, like leggings or whatever, you can get really particular about exactly what you want. Once you find the kind you like, you literally just press this, select the ones you want. Let's do a few more. Let's do this, so we can pack the store up, right? So you got everything you want. You can either list the store right now, or you can scroll down and you can click view details. And as y'all see, they don't skip with the options, bro. They got tons of options. All right, I think we got enough. Let's go to list the store. And just like this, y'all, when you have your Shopify set up, it'll literally list directly to your Shopify for you. And bro, don't trip. You don't got to be tech savvy to do this. What I'm telling you is if you do not have a Shopify store, don't trip, because in the description, I'll put the link. Or honestly, they built it into Doba. On Doba right here, when you go to set up your store, it's going to say sign up for free trial built in here. And guess what? Every single thing we just did right now, the different revisions, all this and that, it took 4 credits. You get 200 plus credits once you sign up, but that's besides the point. So now if you need Shopify, it's already built in here. You get a free trial for 3 days, and then after that, it's $1. Bro, this shit is crazy, but let's go back to the store. Okay, so you have everything you want, and you see right here the sell price. You want it 1.2 times multiplier. They added a shipping fee. You can change these numbers as well. So this is what AI has done for us. No thinking. You can keep the original titles, or we can press optimize. I think AI is going to do a good job optimizing, and it could even optimize descriptions. Once you got everything you like, you press continue task. And I want y'all to know, like, I'm so impressed by this tool that I didn't fast forward anything. I didn't do anything crazy. This is real time, how fast it's working. And y'all see right here, we just had 94 credits. We used 1 credit doing that, just 1, dog. And you see, we still have 100 BigCommerce agent credits as well. So look, y'all, this will be done in literally 3 or 4 minutes. I'll be back in 3 or 4 minutes to show you what it did. All right, my nigga, we are back. You see, we got the 8 products already listed. They have the quota, and all you press is this little blue button called view. Once you press that button, what it does is it lists the products, bro. Y'all can literally see how much the shipping cost is, how much the profit margin is, and how much it actually costs in sales. So look at this, everything right here. They have the Doba item number, etc. Okay, so you see everything listed in your store. What that now means is you can go to Shopify or wherever you housing your store at, and you see how dope it looks. You can click view store, and the item should be in here. All right, so I showed you the page before. We didn't add anything to it. Here it is, refreshed. Shopify created new arrivals, and look at this, bro. All the new leggings we literally just added for our girls are here, bro. It's mixed in with the beauty products we had before. You can choose your different options. Let's even click view all, but I want you to just see, this is a whole website, gang, a whole website. Let's view all. And behold, all the products are right here listed. Prices, it's gonna ship for you. You don't touch anything, you hear me? So this is Doba, this is incredible. I could be here all day making in-depth videos. If this video gets, I don't know, 1,000 likes, I'll make a tutorial video showing you how to do this start to finish, which I don't know how much more in-depth we need to get, but this is fire. If you want this tool and you learned some shit today, get off your ass, 1. 2, click the description. I'm telling you, bro, they're giving you a free trial to Shopify. You get a trial to Doba. And if you do sign up as a user for Doba, they're giving you 200 additional credits a month. It took us 1 credit to make this. 1 credit to make this, bro. I done added different colors of leggings. I added sizes, different styles. So you can get creative on here. All of my girls that you see, or men, or whatever AI people I end up making more of, they will sell products. Like the video. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did! Oh, and yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram and YouTube and all that other shit, because we're on the road to 1 million. You did.